This powerful immune system booster drink by Chef Briscoe is packed with natural ingredients that protect, cleanse, and energize your body from the inside out. The beets are rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation, boost blood flow, and support heart and liver health, while the carrots deliver beta-carotene and vitamin A to strengthen your immune system, improve your skin glow, and support eye health. Ginger adds a strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial punch, helping your body fight infections, improve digestion, clear mucus, and increase circulation naturally. The red apple brings natural sweetness along with vitamin C and fiber to support gut health and keep your immune system functioning at its best. The lemon delivers an extra boost of vitamin C, helps detox the body, balances pH, brightens the skin, and improves hydration. And with the addition of half of a red onion, you get even more immune-boosting power. Red onions are high in quercetin and sulfur compounds that help fight inflammation, support respiratory health, and naturally combat viruses and bacteria. Together, these ingredients create a potent morning drink that Chef Briscoe recommends for strengthening your immune system, boosting energy, supporting natural detoxification, and keeping your body refreshed, nourished, and ready for the day.